Long before Muhammad became known as the messenger of God, he was already known for something else: his honesty, his integrity, his character. Among the people of Mecca, he had earned a title, Al-Amin, the trustworthy. It was these qualities that drew the attention of one of Mecca's most respected women. Her name was Khadijah bint Khuwaylid. She was a successful merchant, known throughout Mecca for her wisdom, her dignity, and her integrity. Having witnessed Muhammad's honesty and the trust he inspired, she proposed marriage. He accepted. Muhammad was 25 years old. Together, they built a home founded upon trust, mutual respect, and unwavering support. Years passed. Then, one night, everything changed. While alone in the cave of Hira, Muhammad received the first revelation. The experience was unlike anything he had ever known. He returned home, deeply shaken, searching for reassurance. It was Khadijah who welcomed him. She comforted him. She reminded him of the goodness that had always defined his life. She believed him without hesitation. In doing so, she became the very first person to embrace Islam. When others rejected him, she believed. When others mocked him, she encouraged him. When the early Muslim community faced hardship, she devoted her wealth to supporting the new faith. Through every trial, she remained by his side. For 25 years, Muhammad remained married to Khadijah alone. In a society where taking multiple wives was both accepted and common, he chose only one. Then Khadijah passed away. For Muhammad, it was more than the loss of a wife. It was the loss of his closest companion, his greatest supporter, and the first believer in his mission. Years later, those around him would still witness the depth of that love. Whenever he slaughtered an animal, he would send portions to Khadijah's friends. Whenever her name was mentioned, his face would brighten. Aisha would later say that she had never felt as jealous of any woman as she did of Khadijah. Not because she had ever met her, but because the Prophet remembered her so often with love. He once said, "She believed in me when others rejected me. She stood beside me when others abandoned me. She shared her wealth with me when others withheld theirs. And through her, Allah blessed me with children." For 25 years, their marriage stood as a partnership of faith, trust, and unwavering support. Long after Khadijah's passing, the Prophet continued to remember her with gratitude and affection. Before history records his later marriages, it first records the depth of this one. And it is here that the story of everything that followed truly begins.